Watching an AWS bill speedrun your IT budget is pure panic. Stop paying the voluntary cloud tax for dev servers, but nobody turned off on Friday. So let's look at the math. There are 168 hours in a week. Your developers are allegedly working 40 of them. That means for almost 130 hours a week, your non-production servers are just sitting there. They're active for maybe a quarter of the time. The other 76%, they're completely idle, doing absolutely nothing, just quietly burning company cash in a data center somewhere. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to cut your AWS bill by treating your servers like office lights, automatically turning them off when people go home, using a couple of lines of Terraform. So here's a baseline setup. We've got a standard application load balancer sitting in front of an auto-scaling group with 3 T3 mediums, nothing crazy. But if we run a cost breakdown right now, it wants to charge us $108 a month. For a development server, that's a bit too much. Let's deploy it anyway, just to prove it works. Terraform does its thing. We check the console and the instances are running. If we hit the load balancer URL, we get our test page. Refresh it a couple of times, the IPs change, so traffic is routing perfectly. The architecture is solid, but the billing department is still crying. Now, here's the magic trick. Schedule scaling. We drop in 2 AWS auto-scaling scheduled resources. One tells the group to scale down to 0 at 6 p.m. The other tells it to wake back up and spin up 3 instances at 8 in the morning. We run a quick Terraform apply to push the update. Check the console again, look under the auto-scaling group, and there they are. Our instances officially have a bedtime. But let's actually look at the math to see if it was worth it. If we feed a custom usage file that reflects our actual 40-hour work week instead of the default 730-hour month, our estimated bill drops from the $108 to $46. It took 5 minutes of code to cut the bill in half. The Terraform code for this setup is down in the description. Catch you in the next one.